So hey guys, what's up? Let's start the discussion of a span of an array question. So what question says is you will get an array. Okay. For example, I get this array. So I try to find the span and print it. Okay. The question says you need to find the span and print the span. So what is span actually? Span is the maximum value present in an array. For example, in this array, the maximum value I can see is 12 and the minimum value is present in an array which is 1, and you need to subtract them and print the subtraction. Okay, the solution we will get after the subtraction of maximum value and minimum value is known as span. Okay, so we need to print this. So what I can do is I will create two variables which will store maximum value and minimum value. So I will store the maximum value in max and min value in min. So I will iterate over this array using my for loop. So first, before my first loop, for example, this is my for loop and I will do my task here. So before the for loop, what will I do? I assume that the zeroth element, the element present at zeroth index is my max value and it is also my min value because I don't have any other options. If I have only one element, so it is also min value and it is also max value. So I assigned max and min with the first element present in array. Okay, then over the time when my loop goes further, I will check and I will upgrade my max and min value. How will I upgrade? For example, max, if my iterator goes here, then I will check the value present in my max is greater than the current iterator or less than. If it is greater, then I will upgrade it, but it is not. So, and here in min, the current value is 9, but my iterator present at 4. So 4 is less than 9, so I will upgrade min with 4. And in the same case, when my iterator goes here, 12 is larger than 9, so I will check it and I will upgrade it. I will upgrade this. But 12 is not smaller than 4, so I do not have any problem with 12. So my iterator will move again at 1. Then 1 is not larger than 12, so I will not bother my max variable, but I have to bother my min variable because 1 is smaller than 4, so I will upgrade min. After this, my iterator goes on 6, so 6 is not greater than 12 and 6 is not smaller than 1 either. Then my iterator goes to 2, there will be no impact on max and there will be no impact on min. So we try to code it now. Okay, sorry, I will remove this for you. Okay, so we need to complete this function. First of all, I will create my max value and assign it with 0. Then I will create my min value. So max and min is actually functions in an array, and that these are built-in functions. So I need to change their names. How will you find what is your built-in function and not? The color becomes orange. That is the simple thing you have to know and keep in your mind. So I will try to run a loop from what 1 to length of the array. Okay, then if I find any value which is greater than my max value, the max value, then I will upgrade my max. And if I find any value which is greater than my min value, sorry, which is smaller than my min value, Then I will upgrade the min value variable. Okay. After this loop, we will get our max value and min value. So I have to find my span. Max value minus min value. We need to return this span. Great. So let's try to run it. And it is showing something error. What is the error? Name min value is not defined. Okay, something I used which is not defined. Okay, the spelling mistake. So it is running fine. We try to submit it. Okay, what's happening? Let's just submit quickly. Man, this is very. So my question is submitted. So this is the solution, guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then watch our next video. It is your moral responsibility to like, share, and comment, and also subscribe the channel with the hitting of bell icon. Okay, my English is not that good, so you have a notion what I'm trying to say. So bye.